lang, yung papakain.
Opo.
Eh, pwede yung palayuin dun sa malayo.
Opo.
Maybe you
Pata.
can go first. Ma'am, mahulog. So he will come outside.
Ayan na po siya. Yes.
Ayoko dito.
Laki na ba?
May langgam, baka kagating sa langgam guya rin.
It's like this, very sound coming, no? It's very big.
Laki. Gutom na yan.
We will do that, what?
Ulitin ka lang, sir.
Tapos, eh?
Ay, laki.
That's why we'll give now, ba?